I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history. True. And leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. I am Edi Abali today. Edi Abali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Edi Abali. So when somebody says Igbo, no, I am, yes. The name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first volcano houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Edi Abali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also, his bricks.